What is up, everybody? This is the Straight A, and Christmas is coming. Yes, and here's an early Christmas present. You saw the title. It's Messing with My Dog Part 2. And this time, we're going to do something a little different. You guys might have thought I have a sound machine in my hand. And so, congratulations if you saw it. It's loud. It's really loud. I want to see how my dogs react to it. Let's do that. Before we get on with the video, we got our tree already. Probably didn't see my snap. Did snap along a while ago. We got our tree decorated, and Saint Nick is on top. Slow and steady. Slow and hi, Sneaky. There's like more than one Santa on here. See? Then we got the light from Christmas Story. That. Another Santa. Raiders, Snowman, and this is our tree. And you're going to see until now. Alright, now on with the video. And first dog I want to tease is Chulo. He wasn't teasing my last one, so let's do him. We're going to use this one. He didn't react. What about this? Oh, my dad's eating, that's why they aren't reacting, so. My dad stopped eating, so let's try it with Cheekies. Cheekies, see these buttons? See them all? Don't lick my machine. Hi, Chulo. Yeah, let's try to get to it. She reacted. He's not reacting to anything. Hey. Alright, she stopped barking, so let's try another button. That was the whistle, and I just failed doing that to reactor. She's not scared of it. I need to find something else. I got this megaphone, and you guys aren't going to understand me though. But let's see her reaction. Alright, change settings. The original one was just on A. Let's try. I'm failing both times, but I have a backup. So let's try. Wait. What if I say something? Now you suck. Alright, I got my backup. See how they react to this. Alright, well, Jules here, so let's. Good evening, sir. How are you? Oh, you like me already. This is my first time seeing you, sir. My name is Mr. Marshmallow. Good evening, man. How are you? Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Mr. Marshmallow. You act like you've seen me before. This is my first time seeing you. What's seeing me around town? No, it's not. Good evening, sir. My name is Mr. Marshmallow. Yeah. Ah, my mustache fell off. I'm not to be that. I'm dead now. I'm dead. Yeah. Goodbye. Yeah. Damn, Mr. Marshmallow, he died on the first video he was on. Well, either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like, subscribe button in the face until it cries. And I know this was a fail, but at least I got something for you guys. And it was actually pretty funny. This has been The Straight A, and I will see you guys next time.